Today, we're putting two popular summer tires head-to-head, the Continental EcoContact 6 and the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2. Let's dive into the details and see which one comes out on top. Starting with the wet performance, the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2 showcases superior capabilities. It stops at 46.4 meters from 100 kilometers per hour, outperforming the EcoContact 6's 51.1 meters. In wet handling, it also leads with a faster lap speed, providing excellent grip and safety. In terms of dry conditions, both tires perform admirably, but with subtle differences. The Continental EcoContact 6 edges out slightly in braking, stopping 0.4 meters shorter than the EfficientGrip 2. However, the Goodyear tire takes the lead in dry handling, offering a quicker and more responsive driving experience. When it comes to noise levels, the Continental EcoContact 6 is the quieter of the two, which could be a crucial factor for those seeking a more comfortable and peaceful drive. Looking at longevity, the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2 impresses with its remarkable wear life, outlasting the EcoContact 6 by nearly 10,000 kilometers. It's a testament to its durability and value over time. And if you're concerned about environmental impact, the Continental EcoContact 6 leads in rolling resistance, meaning it's more fuel efficient and environmentally friendly. In conclusion, while the Continental EcoContact 6 excels in rolling resistance and noise reduction, the Goodyear EfficientGrip Performance 2 stands out in most performance aspects, especially in wet conditions and longevity, making it an exceptional choice for drivers who prioritize safety and durability. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.